All right, hello everybody. Welcome to another lesson by Mrs. Farmer. Today we are reading and writing decimals. So we're taking notes. Make sure you have your notes open up in your composition book. Make sure you are taking them the correct way. Make sure you have your name written in the right-hand corner. I don't have it, so don't be like me right now. Write your first, last name, and then write the date. Today is Wednesday, August 19th. And then something new we added in our notes this week is writing our learning target. So write learning target. Now I'll let you guys catch up. All right, and our learning target today is I can read and write decimals to the thousandths place. I can read and write decimals to the thousandths place. Make sure you have that written down. Give you guys a few more seconds. All right, guys, and our first example, our example number 1. Here we have 0.005. Before we even attempt to turn this into a fraction, let's see what place value every number is in. So right here, our 0, that would be the ones place. Our 0 right here, our 0 after the decimal is always the tenths place. And we have our hundredths. Then our 5 is in the thousandths place. So tenths is spelled T-E-N-T-H-S. Hundredths is just 100 with T-H-S on the end. And then thousandths is 1,000 with T-H-S on the end. Every number behind the decimal point ends in a THS. So we have our tenths, our hundredths, and our thousands. And before the decimal is a ones, the ones place. Make sure you guys have that copied down. Okay, so I'm going to teach you guys a trick on how to turn this into a fraction. So, let's take our little decimal place right here. Let's move it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Put the decimal right there. Now our number is 5. That will be our numerator. Whatever you have right here will be our numerator, okay? How many times did we move over the decimal? We moved it 1, 2, 3. So now let's add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Our new fraction is 5 over 1,000. If that was too confusing for you, we will do a few more problems, don't worry. All right, example 2. Let's do 0.062. All right, now we have 2 numbers. 0.062. Let's divide it up into place value again. So here we have our ones place. Then we have our tenths place, T-E-N-T-H-S. Then we have our hundredths. And we have our thousandths. Let's just divide these up like this so we can easily see. So we have a 0 in the tenths, we have a 6 in the hundredths, and we have a 2 in the thousandths. Let's try to do our little trick to turn it into a fraction again. Let's move our decimal 1 place, 2 place, 3 places. Our new number is just 62. Then how many times did we move over our decimal place? We moved it over 3 times. So that means we need to have 1, 2, 3 zeros and then put a 1. So our new fraction would be 62 over 1,000. All right, I will give you guys a few minutes to copy that down, and then we will do one more problem. If you need more time, just pause the video to copy it down because I'm moving on. All right, guys, example number 3. Let's do 0.9. What if you just see this? What if you just see 0.9? Let's label our place value. So our 0 is in our ones place, and our 9 is in our tenths place. T-E-N-T-H-S. Let's divide it out. Okay, let's move our decimal one place over, because that's all we have. Do you guys see how we don't move it over more? We don't have more numbers on our right-hand side to move it out. We move it over one place, so now we have 9 over, how many times did we move it over? We moved it over one time, so that's just 1 0, and then add your 1. So 0.9 is equal to 9 over 10 in a fraction. All right, guys? If you need more help, that is okay. I have added another YouTube video. There's a Loom video for this, and I will be going over this in our small groups tomorrow. So don't worry if you don't understand it. Just try your best, take your notes, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, bye.